Gibbity do, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'll be building my first PC, and I know this might be a wild intro because I'm in the bathroom, but listen, don't worry about the intro. Worry about what I got to get into. We go nose ring, we go piercing, we go feel me, looking right for 2025. Take your clothes off, ladies. I know y'all want this shit. Come get some. So chat, the PC finally fucking came in. My room is a mess. And now that, I'm gonna have to buy a new case for my fucking iPad, because you can see my fat ass little dog was biting it. And I forgot to hide my iPad. And I left it on my bed, and this fat ass bitch came in here. But it's cool, because I'm getting a lock on my door anyway. So let's get this bitch out the box. Oh, and indubitably, I got that shit on. We go Nike ski. We go crop button up, crop tee. Forgot where I got these pants from. I didn't actually line. Condom belt. Then we go Tim's with cross socks on, you feel me? Alright, let's get this done out of here. Oh my god! Good god lord. Oh, you can't even see from here. Let me switch angles. Oh man, I've been waiting for this shit to come. Now they finally came. I made enough space on my freaking game shelf, whatever one else, so I could put the freaking shit on here. My PC case over there. So I made enough space on my game shelf to put the PC there. Who's texting my phone? Oh no, not texting my phone. I got notifications that my shit arrived, which I already know, because nigga, it's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Oh my. Oh, I love that PC case smell. I love that PC case smell. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This shit hit, cut. So chat, you can see the retwist game. We got a fresh retwist. We just need to get a haircut and we're gonna be She got it, She got it, She got it, She got it. That's not even what I started recording again. So right, we just got our power, what's it called? Yeah, power supply and whatever whatnot. This is just gonna be one for right now and whatever whatnot. So we can have everything built and stuff like that. So we just need this power supply, get it out the way. Then we're gonna buy all the other extra stuff. We gotta get 3 more stuff. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you right now what we got left to get in my cart. Okay, let me check. Let's open up Amazon. So the stuff that I got in my cart right now that I'm about to get this Thursday, next Thursday when I get paid, I gotta get the Intel processor, right? Then I'm getting my graphics card holder. It's a graphics card holder to hold the graphics card. And then I'm getting this the internal SSD card, the internal SSD joint, or whatever and whatnot. And the only thing that we'll have to get left next Thursday. Well, not this next Thursday. Next Thursday. I gotta get fucking the RGB. Gotta get the RAM sticks. And then I gotta get my graphics card, and then I'll have to get the motherboard. But yeah, we'll see y'all. We're not doing another update of the stuff we got recently. We see y'all once we get everything all in one together when we start building the shit. So chat, it finally came, the power supply. So we gonna set this bitch up. Let's get right to it though. All right, let's move the PC case from over here. All right, let's move this over here because we gotta move this shit. Hold up, stay there. Alright, hold up. Oh, I forgot this is right here. Hold up, let me move this. Move this way. Put this right here. Because I forgot this was holding it up. What's on the side over here? Oh, cables over there. Let's finally. Let's put this right here. Alright, let's go, twin. We gotta fucking open this right here. We gotta open the side panel. So that's 1, 2. Alright, I think it's this one that opens it. Alright. Got Barney with a switch on that bitch, twin. I've been itching to shoot this bitch, twin. Alright, stay up there. Alright, there you go. And then once we unscrew this or whatever, right, whatnot, there's some a screw box inside the case, which is for the power supply, I believe. Damn, that shit moved smoothly as a bitch. Some screws. some screws, some zip ties. What's this over here? Manual. What's this? Ooh, let's be careful now. No, let me grab my screws because I can't lose these. I'm gonna put these on my bed right here. Pull this up. And what's this? Oh, that was the box that's holding everything. Alright. Let's grab this power supply box. Yep. And I just got paid today, so I'm gonna buy me the freaking RAM, but the piece that goes in the motherboard. I forgot what it's called or whatever. I went out. Got a bar name with a switch on that bitch, twin. I've been itching to shoot this bitch, twin. Man, why they overly pack this hoe? Like, damn, cuz. Ooh, stanky. You onion boy. That shit do not smell good. Oh my gosh. So listen, I know y'all see all these colorful ass wires. Listen. It's still gonna do what it was supposed to do. I don't give a fuck about all these colorful ass wires. Alright, so we gotta align it like this. Move all the wires out the way. Oh yeah, I can't even see. Hold up. Now y'all can see my other phone is going off. My girl just sent me a reel, I believe. So this is how it's supposed to go, I'm assuming. Yep, just like that. Turn it this way. Hold on, chat, give me a second. Look, ladies and gentlemen, we came, another piece came, which is that motherboard. I had to blur, not blur, but my hands with my address shown. But we got that motherboard. But look, all right, enough yapping, trapping. Time to set this bitch up. All right, so we're gonna finish building the rest of it. So supposedly you're not supposed to build the rest of the, put your PC down on the carpet. I'm trying to remember where I put my screwdrivers at. Where did I put my screwdriver and stuff at? Okay. Screwdriver 1, screwdriver 2. Okay. So now we got our screwdrivers. Hold on. Let me move my carpet. Cause yeah, chat, we got to get that work on that bit. Okay. Let's lay you down, baby. Yeah, we ain't ready. We ain't expect that. Oh yeah, we already have the what's it called? Power supply already in there. So the power supply is already in there. And well, now let's open this. Ooh. Ooh, baby. Let's take this out. This is for my power supply. Well, how to use to set up the power supply. My wire for the power supply. Put that in there. Now, my friend's pre-installed. Now it's time to open up this. This right here is the motherboard. Listen, chat, I told y'all we were gonna finish building this shit. That's what I tend to do. Finish building this PC. Cause why? We're building this PC for one reason only. Well, multiple reasons actually, to also play GTA roleplay, but also so I can have better quality with my videos and also play more games than I was able to play now on my PlayStation. Okay, what's this? Oh, this is the remote control for the lights. I believe so. Let's open this, see what this is. Okay. Some of this shit is gonna stay in here just in case. Cause I don't wanna lose anything. Or most likely it might go inside. Okay, what is this? What the hell is this? Well, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck this is. Okay, so let's take this off. I don't really know what this is. I don't understand what this is or know what this is. So, okay. Okay, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, but nor do I care. I tried to figure out for a solid minute, but I wasn't getting what it was. Motherboard, we're gonna put this right here. Be careful with that. Don't care about that. This is important for something. See that there? Important for something. Don't care about this. Ooh, are these stickers? Oh, these are stickers. I'm definitely keeping these though. Okay. Okay, I don't need these two. I don't think I really need these. I'm gonna keep these in here. This is my IO shield with the shield that goes on the side. Well, let's put this shield on. I don't know what that other thing is for, but yeah. Okay. Let's move my motherboard and put it right here gently. We don't want to mess that up. Let's also put this here. This is supposed to go this way or this way? This way. Let's put this in. Gotta be careful because this is temporary glass. We don't want to break this. Okay. I think I'm installing it right. This part right. Is it supposed to be this way? I think it's supposed to be this way. Yeah, it's supposed to be this way. I believe. Bro, these wires are getting on my last fucking nerves because they're in the way. Hold up. Give me. Oh, it can come off. Good thing. Okay, so it goes. Okay, this way. No, it goes this way. Okay. Okay, I don't care about my work hat falling on the floor. Okay, so that's that in. Well, somewhat in. Okay, now that's in. Now we go about this. So motherboard, that came off. We're gonna put that back on though. We needed that to come off so we can do what we're trying to do. That's what we can put it. I mean, I'm gonna put it back on. We need it back on though. Alright, there we go. Now we can put the motherboard in. Ooh. Now we line it up. Okay. Before we do that, some wires is in the way. Let's line it up. Okay, let's make sure I line this up. Let's take this off real quick. Okay, just line it up. Alright, there we go. It's lined up. Now, Hold on, time out. Give me a second, chat. Alright, so chat, it was taking me a minute. I had to get me some, what's it called? I had to get new prone, well not new prone, certain prones to put in here that weren't in here or whatnot, cause yeah. So I got 1, 2, 3, 3 screws in. I gotta screw a couple more pieces in. Well, gotta screw a couple more screws in to hold down the motherboard. Okay. Oh yeah, cause I know my last clip that y'all seen was when I was putting the motherboard, PC supplier in, and I recorded half of that, and I didn't record, oh shit, me putting it in. Okay, let's not be. Okay, is that in? Come on, screw a little bit more. I mean, it could get screwed in a little more. Okay, so we were about 1, 2, 3. And then there's another screw over here. Oh, that's why they're not going. Hold on, let me screw this. Trying to figure out why these other pieces not going in, because these are not the right screws that I'm putting in on the side piece, on the side panel. They're small, but they're not the ones with the little circles around them. Yep, that's why they're not going in. I like putting some Percocets. Cause, yeah. Hold up. Yep. Notice that went right in quickly. No issue. So these screws that I was just using are not the right screws on this side. At least I got the other screws in the right spots. And these screws I just used were not the right side. Right ones. We see almost we're completely done. We got the motherboard in. We were just missing the RGB RAM sticks and what goes down here? Yeah, we just missing the RGB RAM stick, the mother thingy, whatever you want to call it. Then we're also gonna get our cooler thingy on it. Right here, I'm assuming right here on this side. Let's flip it. Oh, that's another RAM stick. And right here, we're gonna put our SSD here, and we're gonna plug some of this stuff up once we get everything else in here. But as you can see up here, there's no screw here, no screw here, there's no screw here. And y'all might be saying, why is there no screws there? So for some reason, oddly, the thing fits in, right? But for some reason, the way it goes in or whatever on out on this side, or whatever and whatnot, it lines up on this side, I guess, because the fan's in the way or some shit. It's not fully lining up, I guess. So I might have to probably take the fan out, re-put this in here, and then probably re-put the fan back in and whatnot. But then again, I could just leave it like this because everything is screwed in 1, 2, and then it's 3, 4, 5, and it's holding it up perfectly fine. But yeah, that's so far so good or whatever and whatnot. Yeah, so we just got to get our RAM sticks and then our SSD and our and that's gonna be the next thing we get, so and whatnot. So yeah, my CPU just came in. We about to unbox that joint, put it in there real smooth. You know, I'm enough to but let's just get to it. So I'm opening my box and put my CPU blood.
Yo.
You know what? You know what? I'm gonna crash out and turn you to a DD4.
Probation officer, dude.
I'm gonna turn you to a DD4, whatever that is.
What's that?
Search it up. I forgot what a DD4 is.
Let me see.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna turn you to EDP45.
This is a whole school district.
I guess so.
Okay.
Ooh, my CPU. Ooh, I'm keeping this, but the CPU. Look at that chat. The Core i5 black. How the fuck do you open this shit?
The Chief Product Officer.
Ooh, my CPU got me on hard.
Central Processing Unit. Is it? That's what's called? Blood. That's what's called?
I guess so.
Okay, no.
I got blood. Oh, is this thermal pasting? I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Oh, hold up. Don't tell me they just gave me what I think they just gave me. Don't tell me they gave me what I think they just gave me, chat. I feel like they just gave me one of the fans. Hold up. For the free ski game like that? Yo, they give me one of the things that go on top of this. I'll have to pay for one. But I need thermal pasting. So bitch, this is a no still because I still need my fucking, what's it called? My thermal paste. But that's just some W shit though. Cause this some W shit, and the reason why I say this is some W shit because listen, they gave me the fan that goes on top of that bit, and they gave me the CPU, nigga. The only thing I need to get is thermal pasting. But alright, let's open this PC real quick. Let's take this out. We gotta be very careful with this because this is the CPU and you don't want to mess this shit up. So we gotta be very careful. And you gotta grab it by the side, chat. And you want to align it with the side with the triangle in the corner. You want to align it. Okay, let's lift this up right here. How did this go in again? Okay, the triangle has to be in the corner, I believe, and you just drop it in. You don't push it down. You just drop it in. Okay, I don't think I put it in right. Hold up, chat. We're gonna go straight to YouTube. I need to cheat real quick. Alright, chat. So it is early in the morning. It's like 5:29, right? My fucking CPU, not CPU, my RAM 6 game and shit. Let me put this shit in the PC. Shit looks so clean. So let's make sure this shit really down. Take this joint out. Bro, this shit smooth as hell, twin. This little notch in it, so let's put this joint in. Hold check, give me a second. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the one we got, that DD4. We got the 16 gigabyte, but we're gonna add 13 gigabytes of RAM 6 in there soon. So you feel me? That's a little something, but let me show y'all the PC real quick. So now we got the RAM sticks in, baby. But yeah, that's a little, you know, some or whatever or whatnot. We still gotta get the graphics card, the SSD, you feel me? And then we'll be done. We'll be straight and shit like that. So check, my graphics card finally arrived, but the person that dropped off my package wasn't a regular looking UPS man. It was like some thug ass nigga, some black thug, looking like he shoot ARPs with switches. But it's time to put that joint in there. Let's open this package up. Man, I'm so ready. Now, the last thing I need to get is my SSD. That's the last thing I need to get. Hold up. Let's switch angles because it's just mad right over here. All right, there you go. Hopefully this is a better angle for y'all. Open this shit up, man. I've been waiting all day for this freaking shit to get shipped. Now it finally got here. Oh, last thing we gotta get is our SSD. Literally, that's the last thing we gotta get, man. Hold up, my phone timer's been going off all day today. Let me put stop. Cause I have a timer set for 4, you guys, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. Feel me? That graphics card. Alright, let's do what we gotta do. Open up this bit. Where is... Here's the screwdriver because we're gonna need this. Okay. Damn, I hate... One thing I don't like about packages is these fucking tape shit because it be hard. Because, what's it called? The way they be doing this shit be pissing me off, but hey, secure the package by any means possible type shit. There we go. There we go. Alright, let's go.
Yes, sir, buddy. Oh my goodness. Hold up, we gotta see this shit. This shit looks so smooth. Hold up, we gotta take this bitch. We gotta take this baby out. Okay. Remember now, hold it like this. You don't want to touch the fans. Oh my god. This bitch looks smooth. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Let's make sure we take this down. And then it goes this way. Hold up, before we put it in, let's make sure we take these off the side, this panel off real quick. Alright, let's get on the floor so we can be able to do this shit. Let's grab this graphics card. Have it like this. Okay, because we gotta place it this way. Make sure everything's out the way. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I was setting it up the wrong way. I had to take out the freaking things that on the side right here that it goes into. I didn't know I had to do that because remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is my first time building a PC, so I didn't know that. And I was about to say, yo, I was about to get tight and be like, yo, did I buy the wrong piece for my PC? Whole time I really didn't. It's just, I needed to take that piece out. Okay, so which screw goes into here? I would say one of these. I feel like one of these go in here. One of these right here. One of these. Okay. Let's put the PC case. Well, I'm not gonna put it back on its back because the back is bare right now and it's vulnerable. So let's do that. Let's lift this up right here. Hold up, let me put this shit down. There we go. Screw this in. And then we're gonna put the other screw that I took out in there. But first, let's put all this extra stuff away. Alright, let's put this other screw in here. Alright, let's get it. Yes, sir. Yes, man. Now we got almost every piece in it. Now we just need the SSD. Literally the last thing we need. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, I finally got the fucking PC. Oh, let's fucking go. I am so happy. Yeah, sir, Chad. We got that shit started up, man. I'm happy to see this shit. I'm happy to see this shit, man. Alright, we're gonna get this shit started. We're gonna be right back with y'all. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, as I seen, I finished building the PC or whatever or not, and this video, oh, shit like that. So only part that I need to figure out is like the update BIOS shit and stuff like that, and the passcode thing that PCs be having or whatever. I forgot what it's called or some shit like that. That's the only thing I have to figure out and stuff like that. But I had a great time building this PC. The overall budget, or the overall how much I spent on this PC, I'm gonna keep it a band with y'all. I spent around $600 on this PC. So I hope that I can get this shit completely working. Like, it's working as in it turns on, but working as in like I can get to the home screen and I can download games and all that shit. I hope I can do that because I would hate to be, you know, for that not to be the case and shit like that. But ladies and gentlemen, we'll be dropping soon on my clothing brand, BSD, for real, you feel me? Look at the, hold on, let me, before we end up the video, let me show you the fit. You know, we go nose piercing, ear piercing, feel me? I look sexy, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. No glaze, I do look fine as shit. Then we go, well, I can't show it all the way down, but we go, on the belt, you feel me? Then we go, Tims on the feet, fit just too, you feel me? Fit too clean. Yo, ho, see me? You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. But make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, follow my social media in the description down below. And we will be having the Walking Dead video out to y'all real soon. Whatever, when I already get all the stuff edited, or halfway edited, I gotta finish editing, and it'll be up to you. It'll be out in a couple more days, you feel me? But until next time, my brothers and sisters, we out. Peace.